Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this red halation effect on CapCut PC. So go to effects first, go to video effects, and search for blur, which is in lens. Add in blur to it, adjust, and have it at 45%. Press the check mark button, and you're going to want to add it till the end of the video by just dragging it. Select export, go back, and then delete the blur. Go back again, and select overlay and select the video that we just chose. Well, we just exported here, and add it. And you're just going to want to adjust it by scaling it up. Alright, once you did that, you're going to go back and you're going to find the filters one, which is here. Select it, go to food, and select gourmet 2. They still have it, yes they do, this one. And press the check mark button. Go back, go to adjust, and you're going to find the graph section here. Select this red one, and you're going to do the same thing that I'm doing. And select this button right here. Press the check mark button once you're done. Select the blurred out image. Go to blend, go to filter, actually go to lighten, sorry, and choose 75% for it. And that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!